It's either been a week or it's been
the Jeff Richard show.
Oh, I didn't understand a word you said. Not a
I'm,
word you said.
I'm
Nothing. I heard you said some things like light and dark. Some of those words I get it. Let me ask you this, because I know you're.
I can't tell if this is a really great show or this is a complete disaster.
Sure, the family
I was hoping someday I would be able to work with you at the Comedy Store, which happened.
Dude. Jamie, how you doing, buddy?
Oh, here we go.
Make a funny face,
Right.
and I'm gonna hold it, and then you.
No.
Or you.
No, usually what happens is when I make oatmeal, right? I make
About your hair, I mean, does it have a life of its own, or what is it?
I was about to say that I
wanted to give you props. That was a long time ago. You would
No, it was an
remember
honor.
I think that's why I'm now doing shows like this.
Like to speak on, the theoretical aspect of music. And
You ready up?
boy, killing it for you, boy, killing it.